passive income can be very profitable if you do it in the right way and for a longer period of time. With the help of a passive income, you will be able to generate multiple sources of income in which will give you recurring commissions, which will give you recurring revenue every single month. And yes, if you are kind of a person who don't have any time, who don't have any resources, you can start investing your 1 hour of time every day and you will be able to create passive income. And understand one thing, it is time consuming to create that passive income, but once it starts kicking your bank account, it will be really amazing to see the revenues, the number, the commissions, the amount is get coming into your life. And this is really something amazing stuff. And again, you just need to give your hard work every single day, and then only you will be able to create passive income. And in this particular video, I will show you 5 different passive income ideas which you can start with in this weekend. And it will, if you just start and if you keep on working on that any of the, you can just pick any of the project, or you can just pick any of the ideas, and if you start working on that particular idea, and you will be able to create sustainable profitable income source for yourself. But before going that, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and how you can create multiple sources of income for yourself. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to smash the subscribe button and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I release new videos, I can send notification to you people. So without further delay, let's jump in. The number one thing what we have in our list, that is creating a YouTube channel. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and you will be able to create contents on any topic, no matter what. If you have expertise or not, at least you can apply the golden triangle formula, that is learn, do, teach. If you are learning something, if you are implementing in your life, and if you are teaching the same thing into your with the help of YouTube, then you will be able to definitely create good amount of followers, good amount of traffic, good amount of subscribers in your YouTube channel. And YouTube channel, with the help of YouTube channel, you will be able to monetize with various of opportunities. It is not only that you have to dependent on YouTube partner revenue, you can sell multiple products within your YouTube channel also, right? So this is very good opportunity. If you start YouTube channel, you can start with mobile, whatever mobile you have. I guess you have decent mobile with decent camera, and you can start with one microphone, and you can just go and pick up any microphone from Amazon. Hardly it will take 100 maybe 1000 rupees, and you will get you will be able to buy one Boya mic, or maybe something related to your budget. You can just start with something, all right? Even there are a lot of people who do not have who do not show their faces, who do not have their own voice. They are also creating YouTube channel, and with the help of YouTube channel, you will be able to monetize in various of ways. The second thing what we have in our list, that is affiliate marketing, which is my personal favorite, by the way. So in my channel, I talk about affiliate marketing mostly, and how you can promote various of affiliate products, and how you can generate revenues. And if you just follow my videos, or even not, I'm just not asking to follow only me. If you are following any of the person, and if you take action, this is the most important part. People doesn't take action. Probably if you are watching this video, and I am 99% sure that only 1% will take action, and I want you to take action. Understand one thing very clearly: knowing plus not doing is equal to not knowing. This is the thing which one of my mentors says. If you know and if you do not take action, that means you do not know. The same way, if you have ideas what you need to do, if you want to do something, but if you are not doing, maybe if you are procrastinating, maybe you are just delaying things of doing which you want to do, right? So if you are not running behind your goals, if you are not running behind your dreams, then no one will be able to do that for you. You are the person who can take responsibility of your dreams. You are the only person who can take responsibility of your goals, right? So just make sure you just take action on anything, whatever you have decided. Just go and just jump in. Do not overthink, do not procrastinate, just jump in, right? So again, so with the help of YouTube you will be able to create multiple passive income sources. And again, the second thing what we have in our list, that is affiliate marketing. You can start affiliate marketing. You can just promote any of the product. First thing you need to select a niche, and then you can start driving traffic. You can drive traffic from your YouTube channel, and you can just create multiple affiliate links, and you can just promote affiliate products. Again, there is a process in my channel. I create various of videos on related to affiliate marketing. You can just watch them and you can learn. And the third thing what we have in our list, that is creating a course. And this is extremely profitable business. And in India, 2021 2022, people are creating courses, and digital courses are extremely profitable, because here you are not investing any money to manufacture the product. You are just investing your time in front of the camera, and you are just helping someone with the help of your expertise. And again, if you are kind of a person who do not know anything, you must have something which you can sell. If you are kind of a person who don't have any skill, you need to learn that skill. You need to package into some way into a course, and you can sell. So if you are able to create a course, if you are able to market the course, and most important part, no strategy, no plans will work until and unless you are disciplined enough to take responsibility of your dreams. No matter whatever your action plan is, if you are not disciplined enough, then you won't be able to just follow your actions. You won't be able to achieve them. All right, so next thing what we have in our list, that is drop shipping. With the help of drop shipping, you can create your business just by sitting in your home. So simply you have to create a website in Shopify or WordPress or whatever. There are a lot of websites where you can learn drop shipping, and you can just sell other people's sell your own products. And again, the basic fundamental is you need to grab some of the items, grab some of the products from the vendor, you need to advertise on your website or maybe on your funnel, and you need to drive traffic, and you can just sell at your own price. And after the deduction of the product cost, you are just keeping the price. This is the drop shipping model, and you can simply make money by becoming the middleman. It's similar to affiliate marketing, but for affiliate marketing and drop shipping, it's completely different business model, but it is quite similar. If you are in both the cases, you are just generating money by becoming middleman, but yes, they have a different process, different mechanism, and people are really making good amount of money by creating drop shipping, by creating affiliate marketing websites, and it is not that tough task. All right, last but not the least, what we have in our list, that is blogging. You can start creating a blog, and you can start writing article. If you are the kind of a person who do not want to show your face, if you are thinking that your voice is not that good enough, or maybe if you are not confident in front of the camera, that's okay. You can start writing articles on your blog, or it can be any topic, or it can be any niche, whatever it. You can just select your niche based upon your expertise, based upon your interest level, and after that you can just write article on your blog. And it is pretty simple in today's date. Creating a blog or creating a WordPress website is extremely simple. You just, if you invest 2 to 3 hours of time for a single weekend, then you will be able to set up your own blog. I believe in this particular video I was able to give you a little bit overview how you can start creating passive income sources. And yes, last but not the least, you are the person who is responsible for all your dreams, for all your goals. And if you need to work on any of the goal, just start working on that. Do not think what other people will say. You do not have to think about resources. Resources will come automatically at their own time. You just need to start working on some of the things which you want to do, and resources will automatically come. And understand one thing, resource is not the issue, being resourcefulness is the issue. So if you are kind of a person, you just need to start if you are kind of a person who want to achieve something, you want to start creating passive income, just start with whatever you have, and automatically with the time you will find every single resources, every single thing will automatically fall into place. So thank you so much for watching this entire video. I hope I was able to create a value in your life. Let me know if you have any concerns in the comment section below. Before signing off, if you haven't subscribed, make sure subscribe to this particular channel and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. And in the link in the description of this particular video, I have given the link of my personal Telegram group and my Instagram handle. You can just follow me on Instagram handle and you can join my personal Telegram group, where I will show you how I do in the back end, how I do stuffs in the back end. All right, so thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.